Good morning students. Today we discuss about the Rolle's theorem. F be a function in the interval AB, R be the continuous on AB and differentiable on AB such that f of A is equals to f of B where A and B are the real number. Then there exists some value C in AB such that f dash C is equals to 0. F dash C means derivative of the function equals to 0 means parallel to x-axis. In Rolle theorem, whenever he gave the statement to us, we solve the statement with the help of three methods. Number one, first the function should be continuous. If you see x square plus 2x minus 8 in the interval minus 4 and 2, fx is being continuous polynomial everywhere in the interval minus 4 and 2. Power in the form of whole numbers and no fraction is there, so fx is being continuous polynomial. F dash x, derivative of the function 2x plus 2, so function is also derivable, means derivative of the function is exists. There is no value of x in between minus 4 and 2 in which this function not satisfy the conditions. Third conditions, f of a means value of the function at minus 4, we substitute, it comes out to be 0. F of b, it is 2, again substitute, it is also equals to 0. These two value must be same. It is not necessary every time 0. Whatever the result come out, it should be same. Now the special condition, all the condition of Rolle theorems are satisfied so that there exists at least one value C belongs to minus 4 and 2 such that f dash C is equals to 0. F dash C means 2C plus 2 is equals to 0. C is equals to minus 1 and minus 1 is lies in between minus 4 and 3. So whenever you want to prove a Rolle's theorem, you have to satisfy the three conditions. Number 1, function should be continuous. Number 2, function should be derivable. Number 3, value of the function at A and B should be equal. Only then Rolle theorem will be satisfied and we find out the result. If you want to see the graph, you can see I draw a graph of this polynomial function and one more polynomial function. There are so many points on which we can draw the tangent to the graph, but we find out only those points when tangent is parallel to x-axis. So this point is called as the point C, which is lies in between A and B. In between A and B means it is greater than A and less than B, but it is lies anywhere in between A and B. Similarly, one more graph is given to you in the form of curve. In this, if you observe, point C will be lies here and also point C will be lies here. Due to that, we use the word at least minimum 1. In this case you will get minimum 1 value, in this case you will get minimum 2 value. So due to that we can say at least 1 value. So Rolle theorem can be satisfied by the 3 points. Number 1, continuity. Number 2, differentiability. Number 3, value of the function, and then f dash C is equals to 0.